How you doing, Brian?
I'm fine, man.
Hang in there. A little hot.
Hey guys, I don't know what beer is mine.
Should we check that one already?
Brand new.
Should we check the first one?
Brian.
Oh yeah.
Is this yours,
This is
Lino?
mine.
Okay.
Well, actually, when it stops making that sound, that's probably. Oh. Check it out.
What's up, boys?
That's in the bottom.
Fucking idiots.
25.
One more?
A little bit more, probably.
Now we're at 30 exactly.
Oh shit.
Oh, fuck you. Dude, I like got down and my fucking
Like this? This is how it was.
Yeah, I know. We just left it there.
Oh yeah. Take mine out, man. You didn't do this one though, did you?
I did.
That was it?
Looks more comfortable, huh? Yeah.
We're aquí in fucking Sinaloa. What's up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got it. Yeah, you're good.
Fuck yeah.
Yeah, you have to give a lot.
Oh, hell yeah, bro. Not bad, huh? A little.
Boss, you want to walk? I think there's a but
What sort of the vocal? Is there some? Like the stick or something? Like if you were to like drop it? No, like if it's not gonna fall off. Right? Oh yeah. Good. I don't put on full load.
think, bro?
Trying to figure out. Damn. Look at that.
Wow.
Here it is. The devil's asshole, I mean, the devil's bridge.
I don't think so, bro. What do you think? Should he do it? Yeah, for sure.
It's fucked up.
It's fucked.
Yeah. Alright, go down.
Go.
Fuck, this is even dangerous for us.
All right.
You want to help me first and I'll help you?
Look at this, dude.
You're gonna have to go to the right over here because you can see that rock right there.
Yeah, dude. We probably shouldn't be where we're standing. Let's go here.
Watch out with the rock right there. A little more that way. Oh shit. You did incredible. Okay. Wait. Go that way. good from here.
Oh my God, this one right here.
No, you're good. A little bit this way.
Slow, slow.
You're good, you're good. Good. You made it, bro.
That wasn't that bad.
Don't want to like park right here or something. Hey, someone take a picture from the bottom.
Yeah, he will. Hey, John, go down there, take a picture in the video.
Taking a video.
Hey, no, you can record though from the side. Oh,
Alright, dude.
dude, this is way better.
Yeah, do that, bro. How did I get through this?
No, I had to go over there.
This way?
Yeah, so kind of close to that rock.
There you go, straight. Straight. Okay, go straight, go straight. Slowly though.
You guys got it.
Come on, straight, 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 straight. You're good. Come that way a little bit. You're good. Go this way. Yeah. Now, turn it out a little bit. There you go. Come on. A little bit that way. Go. Go. There you go. Yeah, you're good. Now, just go straight. Slowly. Straight, slowly, straight. You're good. Oh, fuck, dude. That shit is high as fuck, dude. Alright, come on. Straight. A little bit that way. Okay, straight. A little bit more. There you go. Straight. Straighten it out. Good. Alright, go straight. 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 You got this way? Yes. This way, yes. More. Okay? Now straight. Straight, this way. You gonna look that way? Yeah. That way. Good. That way. Slowly, straighten it out. Alright, you're doing clear.
Oh.